my YouTube channel. It's your girl Aska Akinyi. A very warm welcome to this channel. If you're new, karibu tena sana. If you're coming back again, thank you so much for stopping over, guys. Nawapenda tena sana. Without you, I cannot do what I'm doing, guys. Without you, I cannot do what I am doing. So guys, ni usiku, and as you can see, I am just yeah, so this is the look, and I love my hairstyle, by the way. Nilikuwa nasikia kama ni mkeka, but I love my new look. So thank you so much, everyone. Guys, so in today's vlog, as you can see, I was cleaning, and in today's vlog, the main thing is arranging my small fridge. Why am I calling it small? Because vitu zenye naenda kuweka ndani ni mingi, and sometimes someone can think that damn, hizi vitu zote anaenda kuweka hapo kwa ako ka fridge kadogo. So guys, as you can see, niko tu hapa kando ya fridge. Wacha hata kwanza nitafute thumbnail. So guys, thank you so much for watching my video. So tunaenda kupanga fridge na tunaenda kuanza na freezer hapa juu. So as you can see, let me move it closer. So these are the things actually naenda kuingiza hapo ndani, na kuna zingine already. So let me see. So guys, this is it. So we are going to arrange it with you guys. So let me just put them here. So I'm going to arrange this, guys, from scratch. Yeah, so if you have a small fridge, by the way, this is for you. This is for those people when you are on a small fridge and you're wondering how you're going to store food. So mimi, I'll put, this one is not an ice cream, ni mboga. So take hiyo hapo. And then this one here, like that. I'll come here, my ndengu. These ones here are maragwe, just beans. And then these two are ndengu. So this one, two of them. Zimeka hapo. Then so I have my corns here. Mahindi zangu ziko hapa. So these my corns. Nimepika nayo maragwe, so I'm going to freeze these ones. So hapo. As you can see, easy dish has itoshani, that is why. So if you want, ukitaka poa unacheza na tins. Unacheza na tins, the bigger ones, the medium ones, and then the two smaller ones. So these two smaller ones, they fit. Unacheza na tins, the bigger ones, the medium ones, and then the two smaller ones. So these two smaller ones, they fit uko kwa your space ya juu. So I'm going to fit this one here. So what do we have here? So I have my oderos here. Well, this time round, I'll be very good, but I am sorry. I am like sorry for some kadha meals. So these two small cups, they're going to enter here. One will enter there. No. Let me start with this one. So I have my mbishiri here, so I'm going to freeze this one. I have my mbishiri there. So I am going to use this one. You see, and they fit. So what do we have next? So we have these other tins. We're going to fit them there. So we have these ones. See? Then what do we have here? So here I'm going to put this one. And then this is my 2 ice cream. I'll put them there. So these 2, I'll just put them here like that, like that. So what else am I freezing? So I have this small mishiris that are chopped. So I'm going to fit these ones here. And that is it, guys. So I don't know if niko na melon mob, by the way. These ones are melon. So nilikatakata nikaeka hapo. So let me freeze one. And then this is my ice cubes. So the other big kanini left with the ice cubes nilitoa because of space. So if una space, you can just remove it. So this is the last thing, and this one will fit here. Well, already here. No, I want it to fit here. So guys, that is it. As you can see, my freezer, everything that I wanted, if it kwa freezer, it may fit so well. The freezer is small, but kila kitu imefit na nimetumia tins. So initially I was using 2 bags, these bags that people buy and put it. But when you're using those bags, your fridge doesn't look so nice and organized. So you can decide to buy these 2 disposable tins, and then you choose a size. If you want to some small quantities, unatumia to dish tudogo. If you want to some large quantities, go with dish kubwa, so that those took a smaller spaces in between zinakuwa utilized. Yeah, so I've just realized it's about kupanga kitu. It's not about its size, it's about kupanga. So we are done with the freezer. So I'm just going to funika the freezer. As you can see, even this space imebaki. So the things that I have now zina fit tu hapo perfectly. So we're going to close the freezer and then go to this other section. So this one, hapa si hard kunini with these ones. So this is how I have arranged them. These are my fruits, and then this one is my blended juice. So me normally I always put my nyanyas kwa fridge, by the way. I put my nyanyas kwa fridge, so nangojea zikishaiva nazika kwa fridge and they won't spoil. So zile hazijaiva sitaweka. That is what I do. Zile hazijaiva I won't put. I only put zenye zimeiva peke yake. And then I wait for these other ones to just evaporate. So I think hizi bado zijaiva vizuri because me I love them so red. Hizi ndio zilikuwa hapo. So these are my nyanyas. So we have this one. So this, just put it here. So I have my danias nimeka kwa cling film na my pilipili. So pilipili nitaweka hapa. Danias pia I just put them here. Then what do I have here? I have carrots. If you want your carrots to just be fresh, please always zieke kwa bag. They're like this. So these ones will go here. So these are my melons. Guys, that is it. As in juu, that is how nimepanga juu, and we are done. Like, we are done, and this is the bottom part of it, and we are done. So guys, thank you so much for watching my videos. Nawapenda tena sana. Kindly remember to subscribe to my channel, comment, like. Guys, kindly always like my videos. You know, if you like my videos, you give YouTube the note that people like the videos na what YouTube inaipush. So kindly like my videos, kindly share my videos, kindly subscribe to my channel. Make a girl's dream come true. Guys, nawapenda tena sana. I've still promised you about the deep cleaning ya kitchen. Guys, najua tangu nianze kusema deep cleaning ya kitchen bado wase wanangoja hiyo vida. I'm gonna do it. So hata nisiseme so that I can do it. So every time nataka ku deep clean kitchen, samoyo kwa kijana tunaita samoyo. Kuna tu samoyo ingine na nishika like samoyo. I don't know, like samoyo na nishika, but since nilisha clean curtains, I wanted to clean the curtains first so that I will deep clean the kitchen. But since nime clean curtain, since nimesha clean fridge nikapanga, so it's going to be an easy work. Kupanga fridge pia ni kazi, because kuitoa, kuiosha, kupanga vitu na everything ifit ndani also ni kazi. So I'm going to do that deep cleaning video. I'm going to do it, guys. I'm going to motivate you on that. So guys, thank you so much. If ulikuwa na fridge yako and you are like, this my fridge is so small, nitaipanga aje? So just end up by hizi two tins. You can buy 2 tins, hizi plastic ones. Kuna zenye ni expensive, kuna zenye ni medium, na kuna hizi throw away tins. So I opted for these throw away tins because they are light, and again they are very affordable. Yeah, affordability, na zinani serve well, zinafanya fridge arrangement ya fridge inakuwa clean and organized. Your fridge be clean and organized. So guys, if ulikuwa umeka makaratasi and all that the way I used to do it ya kwanza, and then you saw how I did my videos, nilikuwa napanga tumasahani. So I was using tumasahani, then I cover with the cling film. But now I'm doing it better thanks to you guys. Asanteni tena sana. Remember to subscribe to my channel and have a good night. God bless you. Have a peaceful night full of revelations in Jesus' mighty name. Kindly subscribe and remember to click the notification bell so that when I upload any of my videos, you be the first one to watch. Good night.